Did you know Elizabeth Taylor owned jewelry worth more than most countries' entire treasuries? Her obsession started early, but it exploded during her 8 marriages. Each husband tried to outdo the last with increasingly ridiculous gifts. Richard Burton bought her the 69-carat Taylor Burton diamond for $1.1 million in 1969. That's $8 million in today's money. But here's the crazy part. She wore her 33-carat Krupp diamond to buy groceries in Switzerland like it was a plastic ring from a cereal box. Taylor didn't just collect pretty things. She hunted down pieces with royal histories. Her La Peregrina pearl belonged to Spanish royalty for 400 years before she snatched it up. When scandals hit, she literally wore her emotions, piling on more diamonds as armor against the tabloids. She even bought duplicate pieces in different colors to match her outfits. When she died, her jewelry collection sold for $116 million at auction, proving her accessories were worth more than entire family fortunes.